BMW Motorrad has officially unveiled the F50 GS at EICMA 2025. First shown as a concept last year, the production version is now here. Developed in partnership with TVS Motor Company and manufactured in India, this mid-size adventure bike introduces BMW's all-new 420cc parallel twin platform. Design-wise, it features a 4-point-X shaped LED DRL headlamp inspired from the R1300 GS. 6.5-inch color TFT display, heated grips, adjustable levers, and 3 ride modes: rain, road, and enduro. You also get Enduro Pro mode as well, but that is from exclusive variant onwards. With a ride-ready curve weight of 178 kg, for those who know, is 4 kg less than the KTM 390 Adventure, a 14-liter fuel tank, and a claimed mileage of 26 km per liter, the F450 GS offers everyday usability, sports dynamics, and comfort along with off-road capabilities. It gets a tubular steel frame, short wheelbase for agile handling, and cast 19-inch wheels and 17-inch rear wheels with tubeless tires. Cross-spoke wheels are also available, but as an optional accessory. Moving to the motor, which is a 420cc parallel twin mill, it registers 47 bhp and 43 Nm of peak torque and has a rated top speed of 165 kmph and a claimed 0-100 acceleration of 5.9 seconds. It features a 35-degree crankpin offset, single balance shaft, and that, according to BMW, offers a smooth running and characterful ride experience. Furthermore, for the transmission, the motorcycle comes with a new 6-speed gearbox and a X-ring final chain drive. Coming to the cycle parts, the F450 GS comes with 43 mm KYB USD forks at the front. For the higher spec exclusive and trophy variants, you get these in adjustable format, whereas for the rear you get a KYB adjustable monoshock, both offering 180 mm of travel. As far as the seat height is concerned, it is set at 845 mm, so that should be a bit of a challenge for shorter riders. Moving to the brakes, the motorcycle comes with a 310 mm single disc at the front with a Brembo 4-piston caliper, and as for the rear, it comes with a 240 mm single disc with a bi-brake caliper. As far as the variants are concerned, the F450 GS is available in 4 variants, which is base, exclusive, sport, and trophy. Except for the base variant, all the other 3 variants come with a quick shifter, and it is optional for the base variant as well. Apart from that, you also get a easy ride clutch. This is standard on the trophy variant but is optional on the other variants. The idea here is that it allows you clutchless shifting while retaining the manual lever when needed. Coming to the prices, rivals, and India launch prospects, F450 GS is expected to be launched in India somewhere in the second half of 2026. And as for the pricing is concerned, we are assuming it should be somewhere in the ballpark of 5 lakhs ex-showroom. And as far as the rivals are concerned, this motorcycle will lock horns with the Royal Enfield Himalayan, the Honda NX 500, the KTM 390 Adventure, and the Benelli TRK 502. So that's all on the new BMW F450 GS. Do let us know your thoughts on the motorcycle, which are the features that you are quite interested in. Let us know about the looks and the design and the powertrain as well. If you have liked this video, do give it a like and do share it with your friends. And I'm sure there are many out there who have been looking forward to this motorcycle to be launched in India soon. I'm Janak Saurabh and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Car and Bike.